Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm super excited. I'm going to be sharing with you day in my life, basically throughout my college classes, and I hope you enjoy and subscribe, hit that thumbs up button and all that jazz. Peace out guys. Alright, I'm feeling adequately prepared to show you my shein haul. Okay, so the last time I did a video, I kind of feel bad because it took me this long just to do another haul, and I have so many other video ideas. It's just with classes and stuff, and I won't get into the gist of it. Y'all know. I don't want to look because I'm so scared. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so what I got was nails. Oh, I hope you can see that. Okay, what I got was nails, different colors of sorts. I even bought glue yesterday so that I could wear them like during class or something. Oh my gosh. And then I got these cute little earrings. They're basically moon starlet earrings. I thought, you know, for Easter that's coming up in like, I forget how long, I thought I could always just wear it then and look pretty nice. Oh, and y'all, I'm excited for this one. I needed anti-blue light glasses. I'm on the computer, phone, yada yada, 24/7 a lot of the times, and it's kind of embarrassing. But also, I want my eyesight to keep, I don't know, I just know that being on the computer too long can like ruin your eyesight. So I got these glasses. I guess I'll just try them on now. White, and then I also got like a slight purple. So if you want to see me as a nerd, keep on watching. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Actually, they're not too shabby. But I feel kind of cool. I know, you know what? I can actually see a big difference. They're kind of like sunglasses as well, but you know what? It's cool. I can feel smart now. If someone's like, hey, can you answer this question? I'm like, I sure can. Tell me what it is. I'm smart. I got glasses. I don't know why that's always been the problem for different people thinking people are smart just because you have glasses. It actually seems kind of wrong. So let me know if you like these babies or these. Wait, you know what? I'm doubly smart because I got two glasses. Woo! Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, I got this dress. I love how they put little foil where I don't even need it, but they just do. Oh gosh, it's hilarious. Okay, here's the dress. I love the fit of it. Like, I think it's so cute, especially like looking at the pattern. It's like very Chinesey, but I love different cultures, and I love the idea of traveling. I haven't really traveled, like I've traveled within the US, but never really outside the country. So I love the idea of traveling and different cultures, and dang, I think it looks cute as heck. I think it's cute, so I'll try it on and y'all will see it. So that is what I got for my shein haul. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, and also my mom and I should be doing a Spotify playlist rating again, possibly, and also maybe a movie review. If you guys like a movie review, I could totally do that, because I did see a clip. Oh, I don't want to say clips walking. It's like something walking, chaos walking. Let's say clips walking. Chaos walking was amazing, but I will probably do another video like next week about that in a movie review. Super simple, but we'll see how that goes. And thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and comment, give this a thumbs up, and all that jazz. Peace out, guys. Oh! Why are you still here? Go watch my other videos. I'm kidding, but do subscribe.